and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He's made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. Tempting some magic in that old silk hat they found. But when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be. And the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Get Frosty goes over the hills of snow. Frosty the snowman was jolly happy so. Corn cob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal.